In this video, I'm going to simplify shipping from China to India for you. We will explore different shipping options and I will explain you why a Chinese freight forwarder might be your best choice. There are three primary shipping options from China to India that are frequently discussed, but what's often overlooked are the unique challenges that each of them carries. First one, direct shipping from your Chinese supplier. While this may seem convenient, it has its own drawback. Your supplier may hire price to cover shipping. And if you are dealing with multi-suppliers, consolidation could be a headache. Therefore, this isn't the most recommended option. Second, using a freight forwarder in your country. While interaction may be easier, they may lack of familiarity with the Chinese market, leading to delay and higher costs. So this option isn't highly recommended either. Last one is hiring a Chinese freight forwarder. This is your golden ticket. They are well versed with Chinese market, can effectively communicate with your suppliers and handle all your shipping needs. They can keep you informed about your shipping status in real time. They pick up goods from different factories, consolidate them, save you time and money. If you decide on employing a Chinese freight forwarder for your shipping need, but find yourself at square one, don't worry, we are going to tell you what you need to do. Once you have decided to go with a Chinese freight forwarder, you may be wondering, how do I choose the right one? First, do some research. Look at Google reviews to see what others think about the company's service. You will need a company that can offer a range of service to meet your specific needs. This includes door-to-door deliveries. This hassle-free option ensures the company handles the entire shipping process from the supply place to your doorstep. Documentation handling. A company can take care of all the paperwork related to the shipping and custom can save you a lot of time and trouble. Shipping insurance. Make sure the company offers insurance for your goods during shipping. This provides peace of mind in case of unexpected events. Custom and local delivery. Choose a company that can handle custom when your goods arrive in your country and can arrange for local delivery to your place. Bulk shipping option. Depending on the size of the shipment, you will need a company that can offer FCL. This option lets you rent an entire container if you have a lot of goods to ship, or LCL. If your goods won't fit a whole container, you will use this option to pay for the space you use. For e-commerce seller, startup, or individual buyer who may need more flexibility, look at a forwarder that can provide a tailored solution to fit your unique situation. Remember, choosing the right freight forwarder to handle your shipping is super important. You want your goods arrive safely, on time, and without any extra cost. So take your time to do your research and choose the best partner for your needs. At SINO Shipping, we are here to help you with all this and more. We do more than just ship goods. We help transport dreams, goals, and the strong desire to grow the power business of all sizes. For over 20 years, we have been helping thousands of businesses succeed. We guide you through the complicated world of global business, ensure your goods get from the busiest factory in China to the market in your country. First, express freight, such as DHL, FedEx, and UPS. Shipping time takes about 2 to 4 days. Second, standard air freight. Using airline service, shipping time takes about 3 to 5 days. Both shipping methods are suitable for urgent shipment, and express freight is suitable for cargo weight less than 20 kilos, while standard air freight is more economical when weight is over 21 kilos. It's worth to note that this shipping method is faster, but also more expensive than sea freight. If your shipment isn't time sensitive, you may consider this shipping method. It takes about 14 to 26 days to ship from a Chinese seaport to an Indian seaport and 20 to 30 days for door-to-door delivery. Depending on your cargo volume, you have different shipping options. If it is less than 15 cubic meters, consider your shipment as LCL. However, if it is over 15 cubic meters or your items are bulky, you may want to order a FCL. So what happens after you have chosen your freight forwarder and shipping method? Once you have confirmed your order with us, our team will contact your suppliers. We can either arrange to pick up the goods from the factory or have them delivered to us. This stage is crucial, as it involves understanding the shipping Incoterms between you and the Chinese suppliers. For a deeper understanding of Incoterms, check out our YouTube channel. It offers comprehensive insight that can guide you through which Incoterms work best for your situation. The following step involve paperwork. I know this seems difficult and easy to make mistakes. For example, which certification, what additional document will be needed. But don't worry, our team in China is here to help. We will guide you through each step. ensuring all the paperwork is accurate. We understand your concern and therefore we communicate in a language that's easier for you to understand, avoiding jargon that could confuse you. Shipping from China to your country covers a long distance, and unfortunately, damage or loss can sometimes occur during transit. While nobody wants this to happen, it is best to be prepared to getting shipping insurance. Always consult our team about the availability of on-demand insurance service. This way, you can ensure your cargo has additional layer of protection. Getting your cargo through China custom is a must-do. Certain factories in China may handle neat document for export custom, while others may not. But don't stress, we got you back in either case. You won't have to hassle with shippers. We will take care of all this for you. Once your shipment has cleared the China customs and set for departure by your chosen method, it's time to settle up with your freight forwarder. Typically, you will receive a tracking number to monitor your shipment progress online via the carrier or airline website. But where we shine is our personal touch. Our dedicated team will keep you updated at every step of the progress mentioned above. Pretty cool, right? Just like when we export, getting goods into your country means they have to clear the local custom too. After your shipment lands, our local crew will sort out all the necessary stuff like getting your goods through custom, paying any import tax, and take care of local fees with the carriers. And remember, you can call on us for this destination service anytime you need them. Or if you prefer, you can handle it through your own company. Once the shipment is cleared by custom, it is all smooth sailing from there. The cargo will make its way to our local warehouse, where it will be unloaded. After that, we will arrange a local courier to bring it right to your doorstep. And just like that, voila! Your shipment will be delivered to where you need it. Alright, that's the end of the video. It's piece of cake when you team up with us. You get to focus on growing your business and we handle all the shipping stuff. Got any question? Send us email. Remember, for SINO, we are your shipping pro.